The experiment is carried out on high beds on clean sand in the open ground, as well as on plots of land on which no agricultural activity was carried out in recent years, and for many decades before that was a tank training ground. As a result of the experiment, it was found that even a small application to the soil, up to 1% of biohumus and farmer's secret potting soil, allows for a high sustainable yield.
By renting out eco-houses with green roofs, indoor gardens and greenhouses, we bring nature into the immediate area where people live. And in doing so, we do not exclude the achievements of science and technology necessary for comfort. On the contrary, these green solutions locally improve air quality, improve the operating conditions of buildings, cool them down in hot weather and reduce heat loss in cold weather. And people can grow food for the whole family, both on the roof and inside their homes. In my opinion, this is a great step towards environmentally friendly and healthy cities.
Scientists argue that it is at least impractical for the world's agricultural sector to expect rich harvests in the next 200 years. The problem of soil impoverishment is becoming acute. Revolutionary changes in the agricultural world are long overdue, but fortunately, the way out has already been found.